Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the two required apps and permissions. Open Weverse Live and sign in, then open Weverse with the same account. This sync is essential. Once done, make sure accessibility and notification permissions are enabled so subtitle hooks work. You need a stable network. Low bandwidth causes delays and missed text. Keep headphones ready for audio clarity. Clear audio helps the automatic captioning pick up words more accurately. Now move to the live stream view. You are now inside the live broadcast. Look for the CC or subtitle control immediately. If the in-stream CC icon is missing, use the Weverse app overlay feature. Switch to the Weverse app while the stream runs and select the overlay or captions option there. This routes captions back into the live view. Once enabled, choose your language preference. Automatic translation may take a few seconds. Pay attention to latency. Subtitles appear slightly after audio. Keep adjusting language. Finalize by verifying the chosen subtitle language and watching for proper sync. If captions lag persistently, restart the stream or app to reset the caption buffer. If subtitles fail to appear, clear the app cache, restart your device, and re-enable permissions. This often restores the overlay hook. Make sure both apps are updated to the latest version. If a particular broadcast lacks captions, ask fans or moderators. Sometimes organizers disable auto captions, and community guidance is the quickest way to learn why.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.